Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change graphic styles in Delta Force. If you want to enhance your gaming experience or adjust the game's visual to match your device's performance, this tutorial will help you out. First of all, launch the Delta Force game on your device and log in with your account if needed. From the main menu, tap on Settings at the top right corner. After opening up the Settings menu, tap on Graphics and Sound from the left-hand side. Under Graphics, go to Graphic Styles option, and from there you can select between multiple graphic styles such as Realistic, Cinematic, Soft, and Vivid. Select the option that best fits your device's performance and personal preference, and after you select your preferred graphic style, you can then move ahead to the main home page. And that's how you can easily change your graphic style in Delta Force. Changing your graphic style makes your gameplay smoother, more visually appealing, and tailored to your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.